Hi, my name is Mason Ulrich, and today I will be discussing the Gestalt design principles and how they were applied in the process of making my infographic. The design principles I will be addressing today are proximity and alignment, visual hierarchy and focal points, color harmony, and lastly, appropriate font choice. The first design principles I will talk about are proximity and alignment. Proximity ensures that your design incorporates the groupings of related design elements together. In my infographic, you can see this applied by my choice of placing the chart, the isotope, or the visualized numbers directly next to, as well as in the same colored row as a brief description of what that info means. Closely related to proximity is alignment. Alignment is a design principle that helps keep your design organized by arranging your data relative to a line instead of scattered on the page. You can see I have chosen to center align my title to create an appealing look. However, overusing the center align technique is a bad practice, so I chose to align the rest of my infographic horizontally. The next design principle I will discuss is visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy establishes which data has a higher rank of importance. Once the data is ranked, the data is broken down into sections referred to as dominant, subdominant, and subordinate focal points. My infographic addresses the dominant and subdominant focal points. You can see that within my infographic, the graphs, isotopes, and visualized number have been given their dominant visual weight through their contrast with the design as well as their size. The descriptions of each graph, isotope, and visualized number depict less contrast and are smaller in size, therefore they fall under the sub-dominant focal point. In creating my infographic, a key step in the design was applying an appropriate color scheme to achieve color harmony. Color harmony is used to present a sense of order. In my design, I chose to use complementary colors opposite of one another on the color wheel. My design uses blue as the primary color, which makes up most of my design. With orange being the secondary color and used less often. Gray, a color not on the color wheel, was used as my filler color. I chose to use gray as a filler color because it creates a contrast with blue and orange, which makes the design pop. The last design technique I focused on in my design was choosing appropriate fonts. My design uses two different fonts. The main font used is a sans serif type font. And the secondary font is a serif type. Using both a serif and a sans serif font creates a contrast, making the overall design more appealing. Using these techniques lead to an overall aesthetic infographic that draws the attention of a viewer. Thank you for listening to my discussion of design principles. If you have any questions in regards to design, please reach out.